Hi everybody, how are you doing? I hope you've had a great day. It's Tuesday here, November 2nd, 2022, and I am on Main Street here, and I am in front of the most famous restaurant in North Myrtle Beach, and that is Hoskins. And we're seeing the couple that had been waiting outside. They're heading inside. When I pulled up, there was a line of about a dozen people that were by the door. Moves quickly. I actually just spoke with the hostess, and she said that this evening it's just taken about 10 minutes or so to seat people when there is a line. In the summertime, it can take up to over a half hour. But they do move the line quickly. So they go ahead, and when people head on out, they bring new folks in. As I promised you, I'm doing a video in Hoskins because it's absolutely amazing here. It's iconic. It's been here for 73 years. And Hubert and Leona Hoskins began this in 1948. So actually, what, 74, right? So the amazing thing about this restaurant is the family has kept it going strong. It's gone through 3 generations, and it's so popular here among locals and tourists alike. The short video that I posted, I had a gentleman that chimed in and said he remembers in the 50s coming with his parents and grandparents into this restaurant. So just so many memories have been made here, and such an amazing place. So let's go ahead. We're gonna venture inside here. I'm gonna flip it around. Here we go. Okay, and as I said, we're on Main Street here. So right here in beautiful North Myrtle Beach on Main Street, and see how beautiful it is too. In our median, they set it up with palmetto trees, our state tree right there, and this part of Main Street this part of Main Street will take you right down to the beach. So it's absolutely wonderful. This too, if you've heard of the Horseshoe on Main Street, that's at the end of Main Street right there over Ocean Boulevard, and that's where they have that Music on Main that I was talking about. So again, there's Hoskins right there. Let's see if some of these people will end up talking with me, maybe not. We'll see. I don't want to. Everyone loves Hoskins. Have you all been coming for a while?
First time.
Oh, really? Wow. So how did you hear about it?
We talked to the people that were in the line.
Did you? And they just said...
This is Vanna White's most favorite restaurant.
I didn't know that. That's wonderful. Yeah.
So if it's good enough for Vanna, it's good enough for us.
There you go. And usually the great thing is, too, this evening you don't have a long line. I've been here for about 5 minutes or so, and there was a longer line before, so that's just great. There you go. I got the door for you, ma'am. Yeah.
Caroline, it was good to see you, baby.
Oh, it's always good to see y'all.
And tell Lizzie hello and we love her.
I will do it.
I'm just gonna head in here and just... Alrighty. So right here, there are the specials right here. The lunch specials, they've already erased them, but they have the dinner specials right over there. And then what's really cool here is it's kind of tough, you have that reflection there, but this is one of the original menus that they had. So let's see if we can make out. So a deluxe jumbo hamburger was 65 cents. How cool is that? You could get homemade pie for 20 cents.
I'll tell.
Okay, beverages. Sanka, 10 cents. All the beverages basically 10 cents. Cold shrimp plate, $2. That was shrimps that can be expensive. And then the different seafood, $2 for the broiled fish platter and for the soft shell crab platter. And these are the pictures from back then. So the steak and chops. So you get a special ribeye steak for $2.50. How about that? Wish they had the year on this. And for the children, please ask the young lady serving you. So here's another one of their menus.
You're welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
So it actually is the same prices here, so I think it's just a black and white version. Yeah. That's the restaurant itself. Alright. Okay, we're starting to get a line here. So a line now is coming in front of Hoskins. So this is more what it looks like most evenings, lunch, and even breakfast with the line out there. So pretty amazing. It was pretty neat talking with that couple. And they had spoke with people in the line and then knew that they wanted to come here. It was Vanna White's favorite restaurant. That's a fun fact I'm learning about. So I have a menu here, their current menu, and I will be showing that to you in a moment. I'd love to go over and talk with some of those people, but I don't know, I know some of them may be a little bit reluctant, and you know, folks want to just go ahead and eat. So let's see though, hold on here. Yeah. So again though, that's that line right there. And yeah, I don't want to have anyone say to me we don't want to be filmed and whatnot. So I'll go ahead, I'll just show you the menu here. And I'm gonna do it, let's see, sitting down. Yeah. Gonna have to put it down someplace. So dinner is served 4:30 to 9 o'clock. It's around 5:30 or so this evening. So, of course, these prices going to be quite a bit more, and especially with the inflation going on in 2022. But hold on one moment. So here we go. So that's the lunch and dinner at Hoskins. You have the appetizers, the oyster cocktail. Okay, so they have a variety of sandwiches here. See that right there. Fish sandwiches, and of course hamburger, chicken sandwiches, barbecue sandwiches, tuna salad, seafood right here. So all fried foods are fried in trans fat free oil and choice of baked potato or French fries, side salad or homemade coleslaw. Hush puppies I hear are superb here. Sweet potato fries, yummy. They're 75 cents extra, you know why. And then if you want your fish broiled, it's $1 extra. So the seafood platter has the flounder. The flounder here is supposed to be fabulous. Scallops, oysters, crab cakes, and then pork, beef, and chicken. Gotta go with that. And the side orders, the beverages they have here, and then the desserts. They have homemade pies, homemade cream pie, chocolate, lemon, coconut, pineapple, and then the homemade peanut butter pie. Ooh, featured dessert of the week. Oh, okay. My stomach is starting to growl a little bit. So as I told you before, they are closed Mondays. And then over here we have the breakfast menu. Okay, so you can have eggs cooked the way you like them, served with grits or hash browns, toast or biscuits, omelets, served with grits or home fries, toast or biscuits, hot cakes and Belgian waffles, homemade biscuits. So specialty choice, that's great. They have steel cut oatmeal with some fruit and walnuts. So that's really a healthy breakfast there too. And the side orders and whatnot. And there's more of that information right there. Hi. Hi, ladies. So, of course, everyone's all excited there. So I will close that out. Just so great to be able to share this all with you and talk to the few people that we did. And everyone is so friendly there with smiles on their faces and bellies filled with all sorts of good stuff, and they're happy. So again, this is Hoskins Restaurant. It's been here since 1948. And it's absolutely fabulous. It's located right here on Main Street at 405 Main Street in North Myrtle Beach. We'd love for you to come on out and try it out and enjoy it. Hope you're all doing well, and until next time, take care.